In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Figma files to desktop. Start by opening the specific Figma design file you want to save. Make sure you are in the file you intend to back up, not just the project overview. Give the canvas a moment to fully load so everything is up to date. This works the same whether you are using Figma in a web browser or the desktop app. Next, head to the top left corner of Figma and click the Figma menu icon. This is the circular icon that opens the main menu. From here, go to File, and then choose Save Local Copy. This command tells Figma to package your entire design pages, frames, components, styles, and versioned content into a single downloadable file. If you don't see it immediately, hover over File for a second. The submenu may need a brief pause to appear. As soon as you select Save Local Copy, Figma will generate a .fig file and start the download. A .fig file is Figma's native portable file format. It's specifically designed for backups and for moving designs between different Figma accounts without changing ownership or permissions in the original file. In most cases, this download goes straight to your default downloads folder. If your browser or system is set to ask where to save files, you may be prompted to pick a location. Otherwise, check your downloads folder after a few seconds. The file name usually matches your Figma file name, and you can rename it later if you want clearer versioning. If your download is taking longer than expected, give it a moment. Large files with lots of components or images can take extra time to package. When it finishes, you now have a complete local copy on your machine. This is perfect for manual backups, archiving important milestones, or transferring a project to a different account when direct sharing isn't ideal. It also gives you peace of mind if you like keeping critical work stored offline in addition to the cloud. A quick tip to stay organized: consider storing your .fig files in a dedicated folder for backups and include the date in the file name so you can track versions at a glance. And remember, a local copy won't affect your live cloud file. It's simply a snapshot you can keep safely on your computer. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.